Today, we're diving into an exciting question. Are we in the middle of a meme coin supercycle? Let's take a broad look at the market, explore why meme coins are creating such a buzz, and learn how to seize investment opportunities in this fast-paced sector. If you find this topic intriguing, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more valuable insights. Recently, meme coins have become an undeniable phenomenon in the crypto world. We're seeing popular meme coins like Pepe, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin consistently gaining momentum. For instance, Pepe has doubled its previous all-time high. Shiba Inu surged over 61% in one day, and Dogecoin also saw a substantial 30% rise. It's truly an explosion. Additionally, other meme coins like Bond jumped by 71%, and Floki rose by 15%. These figures show that meme coins are leading the trend, and many people are reaping significant profits from this ongoing boom. A common question I get is how to buy meme coins, especially the ones that are gaining serious traction. Here are 3 straightforward ways to do it. Number 1. Using a centralized exchange. I recommend Bybit. It's a reliable and user-friendly platform. Just sign up, and you can buy popular meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu directly. Simply use the one-click buy option to purchase instantly. Or go to spot trading to trade various coins. Number 2. Using a wallet and decentralized exchange, DEX, for meme coins not yet listed on major exchanges. You'll need a crypto wallet like MetaMask for Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, or Phantom for Solana. Once you have a wallet, you can use DEX platforms like Uniswap, Ethereum, PancakeSwap, Binance Smart Chain, or Radium, Solana, to buy potential meme coins. Number 3. Monitoring new tokens to spot new meme coins. Use tools like DEX Tools or DEX Screener to view charts and the performance of recently launched tokens. This is an excellent way to find smaller coins that aren't widely listed and have significant growth potential. Many investors believe meme coins offer high returns because they reflect strong community engagement. Some meme coins have established especially large and influential communities. This increases their viral potential as new investors join, creating a cycle of stable price gains. We've seen big meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu achieve massive market capitalizations, with Dogecoin reaching up to $26 billion and continuing to grow. Beyond the big names, many smaller meme coins are also experiencing explosive growth. Popcat and Bon are great recent examples with outstanding performance. Getting into these meme coins early can yield substantial profits, especially when they are still under the radar. Remember, investing in meme coins comes with high risks. However, with the right timing and knowledge, the potential returns can be huge. Right now, the meme coin market is on the rise, and this might be the perfect opportunity to consider investing. To invest effectively in meme coins, you need a solid strategy. Here are a few tips. Firstly, choose the right timing. Meme coins are highly volatile, so the timing of buying and selling is crucial. Secondly, don't put too much into a single project. Allocate your capital wisely and avoid putting everything into one meme coin. Instead, diversify across multiple projects to minimize risk. Next, stay updated on news. Meme coins are heavily influenced by media and community updates, so it's essential to follow reliable news sources and community channels. Another way, double-check the contract address. Always verify the token's contract address on trusted sources like CoinMarketCap to avoid scams. In general, meme coins are currently a powerful trend in the crypto market and present a potential investment opportunity. However, remember that every investment decision comes with risks, and meme coins are no exception. It's essential to research thoroughly, have a specific strategy, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights for investing in meme coins effectively. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on upcoming content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video on MMO Crypto.